It's me, Kashmira, your host. Okay, let's start. Hi guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today, she will be cooking.
Let's have some fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. It's me, Kashmira, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious veg curry. It's made with brinjals, potatoes and peas. It's quick and easy to make in one pot, less than half an hour, and simply delicious. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started. Okay, so we have one brinjal here cut into cubes. I've put it in a bowl of water with some salt. This just draws out the bitterness and also helps prevent it from oxidizing. Then here I've got about a cup of frozen peas and one medium potato. For our masalas, we'll need some hing powder, that's Asafoetida, one dry red chili and some curry leaves, some turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste and some green chilli paste, Dhana Jeera powder, and red chili powder. Okay, so I have a bowl here. I'm going to add my cubed potatoes and brinjals. And then I'm just going to add the peas as well. So we're just going to add our masalas now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder, a heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and you can add green chilies according to taste, and then some salt to taste. Okay, so we're going to start by adding a little bit of oil to the pot. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add a pinch of hing. And a few curry leaves. And then I'm going to add a dried red chili. So we're going to allow this to fry until it becomes fragrant, and then we'll add the vegetables. So you just have to keep an eye on the chili that it doesn't turn too black, or else it has this burnt flavor. Okay, so I'm getting a nice fragrance from the curry leaves and the chili, and the curry leaves are a bit dehydrated, so we know it's ready now to add the vegetables. I'm just gonna throw all the vegetables in. Give it a nice stir. So I'm going to cover the pot now with the lid and let it cook on a medium heat until it's ready. Okay, so I've been cooking this for about 20 minutes and checking on it every 10 to 15 minutes, making sure that it doesn't burn. And it looks ready. The potatoes are soft, nice and soft. They break when you press on them. So now we are ready to serve.